Malaysian restaurant shifts gears to drive-in service amid virus measures. Diners in Malaysia can now devour meals from inside their cars after a restaurant opened a drive-in service for people who are longing to dine out. In Cyberjaya, customers drive to the parking lot of the Padi House restaurant, ordering and enjoying their food without leaving their car. Each set meal comes with a customized tray to fit in the narrow space between the driver's seat and steering wheel, enabling the customers to enjoy the meal without hassle. I work at a bank, so it's not a suitable environment for me to eat. So I prefer to go outside, and sometimes we need a change in scenery so that I can enjoy my food even in a car. The restaurant has ceased dine-in service since the first control measures kicked in last March. Restaurant owner said he was inspired by airline meals after business dropped 80% due to the pandemic. Malaysia is grappling with a surge in coronavirus infections that has pushed the cumulative total past 200,000 cases and over 800 deaths. Shift gear, 改变方法 virus, 病毒 measure, 措施 devour, 吞食 long, 渴望 hassle, 麻烦